channel. And in case you're new here, this is Rosemary kathoni, and if you're new here, welcome, feel at home. We really love visitors, and if you're the returning subscriber, thank you so much, and I really appreciate your support. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook chips in our village, as in tunakulanga chips, so tunapikanga aje if we don't have other means of cooking, as in like gas, steamer, unajua. So stick and let's start how we cook chips in our village. Village girl, let's go to the video. Take your matchbox and let's start to light our jiko. Okay guys, mmeona venye moto inawasha, mmeona venye moto inawaka vizuri. So hii ndio karai ya mafuta ya chips and nimeekelea hapo juu hivyo, you see? So tugoje ichemke. Let's wait the oil to be hot so that to put chips. So put our chips and ziive. I think it's so hilarious kwa watoto bontao, kwa watu bontao. Kujeni Sharks muone how we used to do things in a unique way. And here are our waru. Let's put them zive ndo tukule chips in our home. Village maneno. Woo! Guys, but you be careful cause unaona venye mimi nimeogopa, as in inaweza kurukia. Ni venye nimerusha tu nikikimbia. That's bad, but it's hilarious. But you be careful when you are putting your warus kwa mafuta. Let's wait them to iva and naona zimefloat, so acha nitoe cause zimeiva ni washo. Kama hatuna, as in our Sharks, kama hatuna tomato sauce tunaekanga kitunguu na nyanya, being our tomato sauce, as in kachumbari ya kitunguu na nyanya ndio sisi hutengeneza. Let me show you. So these are our chips and I hope you have learned something, you have enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to subscribe. Kindly subscribe to this amazing channel and tell your friend to tell a friend to come to this amazing channel, YouTube channel, and nitakuwa so happy. Final look. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.